our project. So this is login form. So close code, here we are. So this is the imports, and you can see we made a scaling class so that the image is automatically adjusted based on the size of the frame. So this is the login form, which has initialized components at location relative to null and scaling, which calls the scaling class. So here are the actions. So okay, exit button, minimize, login. Which this it it means it gets the username, password, and type from the employee table in the database. So as you can see, here it is. So it has if statement. If string type is equal to ours that gets string the type, then it disposes the login and it clears the login successfully. So if you log in as admin, you go to the admin page. If you log in as teacher, you go to the teacher page, and then else and something like that. So this is the checkbox. It allows you to change whenever if you want to see the password actually or just the asterisk. So yeah, again, this is the design. So this is for the admin. So if you log in as admin, you will first see this window or frame. So this is the scaling, yes, and admin same like the login. So as you can see, this is the teacher button action. So this is what it do. If you press the teacher, it goes to the teacher page. But if you press this subject button action perform, it goes to the subject page. And then there's also the logout action perform in which it actually logs you out. And this is the main class, and also this is the private. So this is the teacher page. So this is where you can add, edit, or delete. Add, edit, or delete. So yeah, you kind of forgot to put delete button, but it actually works. So as you can see here, this is the code. So yeah, this is the imports, and this is the scaling. So you see like that, and public teacher page. So init components, something like that. Yes. Then we also have the get connection. So it actually connects the GUI to the MySQL database table. So here is the array list. It gets the array list of the employee data here, and then this class shows the data of the table of the database, and this executes the SQL query. This allows you to log in. This allows you to reset, like remove all the inputs in the text fields. This check allows you to see the password if you want to, and this allows you to verify the data if it's already there or not. So this is the add bot action or form in which it allows you to add new data for the teacher page, and the this is the conditional. If boolean is username exists, this allows you to check if the username already existed or not. And this is the table mouse click, yes, like that. And this is the back button, goes back. We also have the edit button, which allows you to edit the inputs. And there's also a delete button here. So this is the sign again, and this is the data which is used for the teacher page. Okay, so this is the subject page. So it's kind of same like teacher page on how it works here. And the only difference is that yeah, it uses the subject variables which calls to the subject table on the database. So this is it. And this is the subject data here. And then this is the my connection. It allows you to connect the SQL or database to the GUI. And finally, this is the teacher homepage, which allows you to see the all the subjects that assigned to a teacher ID. Like it is same for the subject page. It's just this is what teachers see if they log in as teacher. And
Everyone. So my name is Jashmin Talipan. So in continuation with what Ralph Mendoza reported to you a while ago, um, let's continue the login form. We will input Jocell as username, Obando as the password. Let's show password if it's right. All right. So let's say it's admin, and then once we log in, we are uh directed to admin homepage, and this what teachers page looks like. So let's say it shows the employee ID, first name, last name, email, age, username, password, and type. So let's say we're going to add another employee, which is 73. For example, first name is Mhikaela, and last name is Banta. Email is banta at gmail.com. Age is, for example, 21. Username is Banta. Password is, no, for example, Mika na lang. Mika. And password is Banta. So let's see. Banta, yes. And type is teacher. So let's try to add it. Log account created. Okay. So refresh. Let's just refresh and see. Mhikaela Banta as a teacher is added to teacher's table page. And at the same time, if we are going to um, look at our database, uh, it is also added here in our database. So let's continue. So let's go back and let's check the subject page. As what you can see here in the subject table page, you can see the add, edit, and delete button for the subject ID, subject name, section, subject code, and teacher ID. And we also have clear functions here. And if let's try to log out this one. So that's it, and we will be directed back to the login form. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching.